Want to be the guy she can't stop thinking about? It's not magic, it's psychology. Today I'll show you 5 powerful tricks to make a lasting impression and a bonus tip that ties it all together. Let's dive in. First up, mystery. It's the secret sauce that keeps things interesting. Think of it as the art of the subtle, the unspoken, the allure of the unknown. It's about carefully curating the information you reveal, leaving her wanting to know more, eager to peel back the layers of your personality. Don't reveal everything about yourself right away. Oversharing can kill the intrigue. It's like reading the last page of a book before you've even started chapter 1. Where's the fun in that? Instead, practice the art of selective disclosure. Share just enough to spark her curiosity. Tease her with glimpses into your world, your passions, your quirks. Let her imagination fill in the blanks. This creates a sense of anticipation, a desire to uncover the hidden depths of who you are. Drop hints about your hobbies or travels, those exciting adventures that make you, you. Mention that time you went skydiving in New Zealand, or that volunteer trip to build houses in South America. But save the best stories for later. Keep those captivating anecdotes tucked away, ready to be unveiled at just the right moment. These are your secret weapons, the tales that will truly captivate her and leave her wanting more. Think of yourself as a series she wants to binge, a captivating show with twists and turns, cliffhangers, and unexpected revelations. Each episode leaves her craving the next, eager to see what unfolds. Not a book she finishes in one night, a quick read is easily forgotten. You want to be the kind of story that lingers, the one she revisits in her thoughts, the one that sparks her imagination long after she's finished reading. Let her discover new layers over time. Reveal your personality gradually, like peeling back the layers of an onion. Each layer reveals something new and intriguing, keeping her engaged and invested in the process of getting to know you. This keeps her intrigued and wanting more. The mystery creates a sense of excitement, a feeling that there's always something new to discover. It's the thrill of the chase, the anticipation of what's to come. Be a puzzle she's excited to solve, a complex and fascinating enigma that challenges her intellect and sparks her curiosity. Let her piece together the fragments of your personality, revealing the beautiful and intricate picture that lies beneath. That's how you start living in her mind. By being a little mysterious, you create a lasting impression, a sense of intrigue that lingers long after you've parted ways. You become the subject of her thoughts, the object of her curiosity, the man she can't quite figure out and therefore can't forget. Alright, let's dive into trick number 2. Be a world-class listener. This isn't just about hearing the words someone says, it's about truly understanding their meaning, their emotions, and the unspoken messages behind them. It's about making them feel heard, understood, and valued. First things first, put your phone away. Nothing screams, "I'm not interested," like constantly checking your notifications or scrolling through social media while someone is talking to you. Next, make eye contact. It shows that you're engaged and paying attention. Don't just stare blankly, let your eyes reflect your interest and understanding. Nod occasionally to show you're following along, and most importantly, really listen. Focus on what she's saying, not on what you're going to say next. Resist the urge to interrupt or offer unsolicited advice. Just be present and absorb her words. Ask thoughtful follow-up questions that show you care about her passions and stories. Dig deeper, show genuine curiosity, and let her know that you're truly invested in what she has to say. It's not about interrogating her, but about creating a space where she feels comfortable sharing her thoughts and feelings. Remember the little things she shares, the details that might seem insignificant but are actually important to her, and bring them up later. This shows that you are not only listening, but also that you value what she has to say. A simple text before her big meeting, wishing her luck and letting her know you're thinking of her, or asking about her dog, remembering its name and inquiring about its well-being, shows you're paying attention. It demonstrates that you care about the things that are important to her. This makes her feel seen and valued. It creates a sense of connection and intimacy that strengthens your bond. When you make someone feel special, they remember you. They remember the way you made them feel, the way you listened, and the way you cared. That's how you build a real connection, a connection based on mutual respect, understanding, and genuine care. It's about being present, being attentive, and being a world-class listener. Next, scent memory. Find a unique, subtle cologne and make it your signature. Every time she smells it, she'll think of you, even when you're not around. Scent is a powerful trigger for emotion and memory. Use it to create a lasting, subconscious connection. Fourth, be unpredictably thoughtful. Surprise her with small personal gestures for no reason at all. grab her favorite snack, send a funny meme, or drop a note just because. It's the unexpected kindness that stands out. These moments break up her routine and make you unforgettable. She'll start to wonder what sweet thing you'll do next. Fifth, create inside jokes. Shared humor builds a private world just for the two of you. Reference funny moments or stories only you two understand. Every inside joke is a reminder of your unique bond. It's your own secret language and it keeps you on her mind. The more you share, the stronger your connection. And here's the bonus tip, the secret ingredient that elevates everything we've discussed. Confidence. Not the boastful kind, but a quiet, assured belief in yourself. It's about knowing your worth and projecting that inner strength. Quiet, genuine self-confidence. It's the bedrock upon which all successful interactions are built. It allows you to be present, to be authentic, and to truly connect with another person. Because confidence makes all these tricks work even better. Without it, these tips are just words. With it, they become powerful tools for building genuine connections. Start with 1 or 2 tips. Don't overwhelm yourself or the other person. Baby steps are key. See how she responds, gauge her interest and enthusiasm. Is she receptive? Is she engaged? And build from there. Adapt your approach based on her reactions, and let the connection unfold naturally. Share your stories in the comments. I'm genuinely curious to hear about your experiences. I want to hear what works for you. What are your go-to strategies for sparking a connection? What challenges have you faced, and how did you overcome them? If you found this helpful, if these tips resonated with you, hit subscribe for more tips. We'll be exploring more ways to build meaningful relationships in future videos. Until next time, be confident, embrace your strengths, and believe in your ability to connect with others. Be kind to yourself and to others. Kindness is the universal language of connection. And go make a connection. Go out there and create some magic.